Welcome to the Axie Infinity SLP Farming Guide, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you understand the basics of smooth love potion farming in the popular online game Axie Infinity. To start, let's define what SLP is. Smooth Love Potion, or SLP, is a cryptocurrency token that can be earned by playing Axie Infinity. It is used to breed new Axies, which are the game's creatures. The primary way to earn SLP is by completing daily quests, battling in the arena, and participating in adventure mode. The first step to SLP farming is to understand the different game modes. Adventure mode allows you to battle against computer-controlled enemies and earn SLP as a reward. Arena mode, on the other hand, pits you against other players, and the rewards are higher. But so is the competition. To maximize your SLP earnings, it's essential to have a good team of Axies. Each Axie has its unique characteristics, strengths, and weaknesses. A well-balanced team with a mix of different classes and abilities will increase your chances of winning battles and earning more SLP. Another crucial aspect of SLP farming is the energy system. Each Axie has a certain amount of energy that is consumed when you battle. The energy replenishes over time, so it's essential to manage your energy levels and plan your battles accordingly. In addition to battling, you can also earn SLP by completing daily quests. These quests are simple tasks that reward you with a certain amount of SLP. Completing these quests daily can provide a significant boost to your SLP earnings. To take your SLP farming to the next level, consider the following best practices. First, focus on building a well-rounded team of Axies. Second, manage your energy levels carefully to maximize your battle count. Third, complete your daily quests to earn extra SLP. Finally, stay up to date with the latest developments in the game, as new updates and patches can often bring changes to the SLP farming mechanics. By following these steps and best practices, you can increase your SLP earnings and improve your overall gaming experience in Axie Infinity. Remember to always stay informed, adapt to changes, and keep practicing to become a successful SLP farmer.